Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing pineapple ginger lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: water, pineapple, ginger, lemons, granulated sugar. If you want to substitute the granulated sugar, you could do it with honey, agave, and a pinch of salt. This is everything we need to prepare this refreshing and delicious, perfect lemonade, pineapple ginger lemonade. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here first making my simple syrup. I have my granulated sugar, my water, and now I have my glass pitcher that I'm going to put straight on my stove. Here I'm adding the granulated sugar. Remember, if you don't want to add granulated sugar, you could replace it with honey or agave. But here, let me go ahead and put it on the stove and start dissolving and making the simple syrup. As you could see the granulated sugar on the bottom. A couple minutes later, you could see that it's already a little bit yellow. It's already boiling. The granulated sugar has dissolved completely. And now I'm going to turn off the stove, put it aside, and let it cool down. So when I need it for my delicious and amazing lemonade. So I am going to just put it aside. If it turns a little yellow, that's okay. That's exactly how it's gonna look. So here I'm ready to continue with the second step. Here I want to go ahead and rinse my lemons and my ginger. And this really doesn't take too long, but it's a very important step. Getting all the little dust and dirt that might be on the lemons or the ginger. I'm using this little tool to get all the amazing juice out of the lemon. Look at these. These lemons are organic. They are from my sister Yolanda's lemon tree. But now I am ready to get all the delicious and amazing juice out of the lemons. Of course, I'm not going to leave anything behind. Look at this. These lemons have so much juice. They have a lot of juice in them. Well, I'm going to continue with the rest, and I'll see you when I am almost done. Okay, here I'm completely done. I have about 1 whole cup or maybe a little more of the lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my ginger. I'm just going to rub the sides, making sure that I don't remove none of the pulp, just like that, rubbing it with the knife so that I only get the skin off and not the pulp. Look at this. Be careful. I don't want you to cut yourself. Just take your time and remove all the skin of the ginger. Once this is done, I am ready to cut it in small pieces because I'm going to put it on my blender. And this small blender, I only use it for my lemonades. I don't make any salsas in them. You know, I'm the queen of the lemonade, so I gotta make sure that I have a blender just for my lemonades. I'm adding my simple syrup. I'm adding the pinch of salt. I'm sorry that I didn't show you the pinch of salt, but now I'm just gonna blend it away. Okay, it really doesn't take too long, and now I am ready to put it through a sifter so that all those fibers of the ginger don't go into my delicious and amazing lemonade. So I'm going to continue doing the same. I'm going to remove the fiber. This is exactly what you don't want. Press it in, make sure that you get all the delicious juice of the ginger. Okay, and now we're gonna throw this away. I'm gonna put through the sifter the lemon juice because these lemons have a lot of seeds and I don't want none of those seeds to go into my lemonade. On the same container, I'm going to add the pineapple. I'm using frozen pineapple, but you could use fresh. Here, I'm just going to add some water in there. I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna blend it away. Okay, let's blend it completely for a couple minutes. It doesn't take too long. Now I am ready to just pour it in with the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I'm gonna taste it. Tastes amazing. I am going to add just water and then I am ready to start adding some slices of lemon into my pitcher. To decorate it, I'm adding some lemons. I'm adding some pineapple slices. Of course, a lot of ice. Here, it's so hot that I'm really going to enjoy this amazing pineapple ginger lemonade. Here I have the pieces of the pineapple, which I'm going to add. It's about 1 cup of pineapples in little pieces and a little more ice. And of course, I am ready to pour the lemonade into my pitcher. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You enjoy this amazing pineapple ginger lemonade at home. Instead of going and buying soft drinks, just make this at home. Give it your personal touch, a pinch of love, and your lemonade is going to come out amazing. And of course, I have a big glass because I really want to enjoy this delicious and refreshing lemonade. I garnished it with pieces of pineapple, slices of lemon, and now I'm ready to pour. I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering and I'm ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing pineapple ginger lemonade. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipe. It's so hot here in California that, of course, I am going to be refreshed with this delicious and amazing lemonade. So let me stop talking and let me enjoy. The flavor of the ginger stays in your mouth. Just amazing. This is what I call perfection made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.